Guess what? It's finally happening. After many requests, I'm going to host another virtual retreat, and this is your invitation to join me. Hey quilters, I'm Kristen with icstoresquilting.com. Welcome to my channel. If you are a subscriber to my channel, you may have noticed a little something on my community page the other day. It was an announcement that the virtual retreat is back. I am so excited to be able to do this. I have been thinking about it. I've been trying to plan it out. I want to make it something that is amazing. And I didn't just want to put like a ho-hum retreat out there and like get together online and do like a Zoom call. Like that's not how my style is. You guys know that. That's not how I like to do things. I like to throw like a big party and have a lot of fun and do surprises and like really just go over the top. So you can hear about like all that stuff later. But this video is to tell you that yes, the virtual retreat from Icy Stars Quilting is back. It's wonderful. I think it's probably better than it has ever been, and I am so excited to have this opportunity with you. So if you are interested in attending the virtual retreat, it is April 22nd, 2023. That's just a few short weeks away. So lots of things to do in between now and then, but mark your calendars. Go ahead. There is a link down in the description box down below so that you can sign up for the virtual retreat and join me as well as tons of other creatives. We are going to have a wonderful time, as well as there is an opportunity to get a physical gift from me, your retreat packet with everything that you need for this retreat, printed hard copy in your hand, shipped to your mailbox before the retreat starts. Everything is digital as well, but what is guaranteed is the fun, the excitement, the connection, the beautiful things that are going to come out of this retreat, the inspiration you're going to gain. It's all going to be so much fun, and I'm looking so forward to hanging out with you. So that's that. If you would love to join me on this retreat, hit that link down below, come sign up, and hopefully I'll be shipping out your retreat packet to you very shortly. If you have any questions or you were at one of my previous virtual retreats, feel free to hit down in the comments down below. I would love to hear your comments. I will be there answering questions, getting things taken care of tomorrow night as I am getting my week started, getting ready for you and this retreat, making all things happen, you know, doing what I do, create sunshine, create joy, having a good time, and loving creating these experiences for you. If you can't make the retreat live and you've already got something else on that date, don't worry about it. I understand life gets busy and you know, it is what it is. But if you can't make that date and you still want to experience virtual retreat with us, the recording of the retreat is going to be available so that you will be able to watch that retreat whenever is right for you. And I promise you the recording is just as good an experience. You'll still get all the bonuses, all the material, everything you will still get is exactly the same. You'll just be able to watch it on your own schedule. I'm so looking forward to this event with you. I cannot wait. It's going to be wonderful. Okay. I am going to end this video here. I'm gonna go play some games with my family, have some family time today because it's the weekend, and yes, that is necessary to have fun on the weekends. I hope that you are having a wonderful weekend whenever you're watching this video, and I will talk to you soon. I'm Kristen with icstoresquilting.com. I'll see you at the 2023 Spring Maker Retreat. Bye.